Summer is coming. Summer is here. We're at the Southern Motorhome Show, and it's a great opportunity to check things like your fire extinguishers. And yeah, I did, and yeah, mine's out of date. So why don't you come with me and we'll go and get them changed. This is the stall we're looking for, so let's see if someone can help us. Okay, I've got the fire extinguisher changed. Unfortunately, we couldn't. I couldn't record the exchange because the gentleman was camera shy and didn't want to be on film. So I had to do that off film. But anyway, I've got.
I feel like this
my
bag's
new.
gonna break.
Eh?
I feel like the bag's gonna break.
It feels like the bag's gonna break. Okay. Well, I've got my new fire extinguishers, so we'll pop back and get them put back in. Summer is coming. Summer is here. We had a great time walking around the motorhome show, meeting all the stand owners and meeting other people, the motorhomers, you know. And oh, by the way, yes, thank you for all those that popped by for a cup of coffee. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, sorry, as I was saying, we bought a few bits and pieces, bought some new chairs, bonus. But one thing that struck me is you could tell the difference in the stands between those that where people were employed. Sorry, it's wobbly. Where people were employed to be there, and those that were those that own the stand. Seriously, if you own a business and you're going to spend all that money to be at a show, make sure your staff are actually interested in going, because a lot of stands had no one going to them, and quite frankly your staff was sitting there. I'm not going to name names or point anyone out or get anyone into trouble, but they were sitting there just playing on their phone, really not interested. There was one person I wanted to speak to because I wanted some chairs, and frankly they were rude. They just were not interested in pulling their finger out and making a sale. So, you know, honestly, think about not wasting your money and let people with stands that, you know, small businesses, let those people get in there and yeah, sell their wares. Anyway, right, I'm in Cheltenham town centre right now because I've got to go to the doctor's. Apparently it's time for my diabetic review. In case you didn't know, I have diabetes, had it for a number of years. It's controlled with a vast array of drugs, but yeah, never mind. So anyway, I've just got to go in for a review. Nothing to change. I have, yeah, no doubt, but I'll tell you in a moment. You know, it occurs to me as I'm just walking through Cheltenham that actually it's a really nice place, especially today when it's all nice and sunny and yeah, as it is now. Yeah, I like it. I like it here quite a lot. My diabetic review went very well, I'm glad to say. with Sister Nash. She was very happy with me. Couple of things to do. Need to improve my diet a little bit, but no, not so much chocolate. Damn, but who cares? I will anyway. Sorry, Sister Nash. Also, because she found out that I'm going to be in the country for a little bit longer than usual, because Anne's got an appointment in November. She wants to see me in November, so in 6 months' time. So, okay, fair enough. So I've got to remember to make that appointment. But otherwise, all's good. Do you like my new t-shirt? So, what do you think? Let me know. I'm working on an idea, something new, maybe, we'll see. I might let you know next week. I'm not really ready to tell you about it yet, but soon, maybe. Haven't decided yet. Anyway, yeah, if you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and maybe even share this with your friends. Would really appreciate that. Anyway, otherwise, oh yes, next week, bit of a treat, because I'm off with my granddaughter Freya to go and see some tall ships at Gloucester Docks. So yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. I was thinking it might be interesting. Anyway, till next week, take care, stay safe, have fun. Before you go, if you're thinking of full-timing yourself but want to know more, or you just enjoy a really good read, check out my book. It's available now in Amazon, which tells of our story of how we started full-timing very suddenly with no planning, and some of the hilarious consequences of that.